and welcome back to Brainware University News Bulletin. Honestly, the last couple of weeks on campus have been super happening, from exciting event and fun activity to some really memorable moment that made the campus life even more vibrant. So, if you have missed out on anything, don't worry, we got you covered. I'm your host Suhani Kumari, and today we are bringing you a variety of talent, compassion and career milestone that proves why excellence is a habit here. First of all, let's talk about the biggest extravaganza on campus, BGT, Brainware's Got Talent. This time the stage witnessed a full-on talent explosion across the three major events, dance, music and ramp walk. The whole campus had a different kind of vibe and energy as students came forward to showcase their amazing skill and creativity. Along with talent and fun, Brainware always stays ahead when it comes to social responsibilities too. The Department of Allied Health Science has conducted a blood donation camp where students and faculty participated enthusiastically. At the same time, the Department of Nursing conducted a health camp on occasion of World Health Day to promote wellness and health awareness across the campus. So now let's catch up with my co-host Dipshika for campus news and rest of the bulletin.
April has always been a super special month for all of us at Brainware University because this year on the day of Bengali New Year, Brainware proudly celebrated its 36th Foundation Day. It honestly felt like a proud and emotional moment because Brainware has grown so much over the years, and today it stands tall as the largest private university in West Bengal. All thanks to the love, trust and support of everyone connected with it. And now for Hall of Fame this time, a super proud moment for Brainware. Meet Shoumili Batra, a student of MSc Advanced Networking and Cybersecurity who has made history by becoming the first woman ethical hacker at TCS HackQuest Season 10. She did not just win a competition, she also broke barriers and proved that talent has no gender. Big congratulations to Shoumili, you have made Brainware really very proud. And yet, another significant achievement at the MSME Idea Hackathon 5.0, our brilliant students have secured a massive amount of 22.9 lakh amount fund sanction for 2 massive projects. Time for some major placement style excitement from our campus. Our media science and journalism students have secured an amazing internship opportunities at the 2 big names in the media industry, that is SVF and TV9. Moving on to some massive placement updates from Brainware University. Our students have successfully secured placements at top corporate giants like Cipla, Deloitte and TCS. Yes, you heard that right. From IT and consulting to the pharmaceutical industry, Brainware students are stepping into the professional world with confidence and competence.
So that's all for this time. We shall be coming back soon with more updates from the campus of the largest private university of West Bengal.